Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. This week I'm going to be working on this Mk7 GTi. I'm quickly going to show you guys what the car looks like. It's in quite a bad condition. So I'm going to be transforming the car back to new. We're going to do the interior, the engine bay as well as the exterior. So basically it's going to be our full detail. Let's dive right in and let me show you guys what it looks like. The paint is in a terrible condition, and as you can imagine the entire car looks like this, so definitely going to be a lot of fun detailing this. Even these plastics up front looks like they've seen better days. Not sure what's going on. It looks like there was some spray over it of some sorts, but we'll see if we can get that sorted out. Up on the roof, still looks equally as bad as the rest of the car. Once I put the light on it, you can really see how bad this is. But this red is going to look amazing when we are done with it. I'm just going to do a quick paint inspection, nothing too hectic today, because this car is overall in a very bad condition. All the paintwork, you can see how hazy it is on the handle there. And like I say, it's basically in a bad condition all over the car. The polishing is going to be quite tricky on this one. I don't think we're going to go for full correction on this one. I assume about 80% just to make the color pop. There's a nice long scratch going down there as well. But like I mentioned, we're going for about 80% correction just to minimize the damage and to make the color pop. This red is going to look amazing once it starts popping. At the moment it looks very dull. On the lower portion of the bumper here, you can clearly see someone had a go at it. Very bad attempt, I must be honest. The best part about all of this is it's a low mileage car, and we'll definitely give it the love it deserves. I just finished up with the 7.5 GTi. The car looks absolutely stunning. I'm going to show you guys the after footage in a second. I'm not going to take the car out as it is overcast outside, so the after footage will be shot inside the garage. And I'm hoping to show you guys the client's reaction when he comes to fetch it. I'm going to film it. I'm not sure how he's going to react. So if the reaction is good, I'm going to show it to you guys. If he doesn't look too excited, then I mean there's no point in showing it. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of after shots, and then we'll see if we can get the client's reaction.
Ek kry so lekker idee.